Hello guys, welcome to the WebAppick channel. In this video, we'll learn how to dynamically change stock status. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how exactly we can do this. To dynamically change stock statuses, we'll be using the Dynamic Attributes functionality, which can be found in our CTX Feed Pro plugin. By default, our plugin returns the stock status availability as in stock, out of stock, or back order. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's say we choose this product beanie. Let's scroll down and find the stock status. If we look under inventory, as I said, under stock statuses, we can see in stock, out of stock, or back order. Now, some of the merchant guidelines will accept these values. However, different merchants have their own value for availability. This certainly creates a complex scenario in terms of merchant owner perspective. That's why we have dynamic attributes to give you a convenient resolution to the problem. Right now, let's go into dynamic attributes and create an attribute of our own. Let's go add new. Let's give this attribute a name. Let's go and availability. Perfect. Let's go add the conditions. The condition is going to be if availability is equals to in stock, then return us the value, which is we're going to add this in a bit. Let's go ahead and add the other conditions that we have. If availability equals to out of stock, return us a certain value. Last but not the least, once again, we've got availability equals to on back order pattern, return us this value. For default, we want a certain value to be returned as well. Now, the value you're going to add on this side will depend on your merchant requirements. As we know, different merchants have their own value for availability. Sometimes the value just might be a yes, no, and back order respectively. Similarly, you could also have values that's returning, let's say, in stock, whereas there's no space in between, unlike this, or let's say it could be out of stock. Just so that it shows up nicely, out of stock, and let's say on back order. Perfect. For the default value, we want it to return this value in stock. There we go. For now, let's experiment with this. Having said that, as you can see here, we've got complete flexibility of how we want our output to be according to our merchant needs. Let's save it. Let's go to our feed and add it. Custom. In our feed, let's go ahead and clear the cache just to make sure the new attribute that you've just created shows up. Let's go add new attribute. Let's go dynamic availability. And let's see if we can find our attribute. There we go. Under dynamic attributes, we've got DA_availability. Let's go ahead, update and generate this feed. Now that our feed is ready, let's go ahead and take a look. There you go, guys. As you can see, our availability is showing in stock, but here under our dynamic availability is showing the output that we have just set up right there, in stock without any space in between. Same goes for out of stock right here and back order. There you go, guys. Now you know how you can dynamically change your stock status. If you have any questions or issues, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webappick.com. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.